Hello guys, today I'm going to say my experience working with Skyfire Labs and programs did in Skyfire Labs. So first I'm opening, I have installed SAP 2000 software and also ETAP software. Now here I'm opening ETAP software, as you can see. Wait for some time. So it has been opened. Here a dialog box will be appeared. Just click on OK. So first of all, this is the ETAP software which you can see, where we can prepare models. So in ETAP software we have did the models of tall buildings. So this is not clear. First of all, this I am going to file, clicking on new model. So here it will be asking you to define, to select the units. So you should select the units of Indian, which will be there here. You have to select everything. So now I'll first show you the models which I have did recently, not recently, when I was joined in the course. I'm opening the projects. I'm opening the first project which I have did. I'm just clicking on OK, open. So a dialog box appears that this project will be opened only till 30 days. For me, it can be opened only for 11 more days. I'm clicking it on OK. You also click on OK. So now the model will be open, but it takes some time. So this is the project. This is not clear, the camera is not clear. So this is the first project which I have did. First of all, I'll explain you the menus here. This is the file menu. As you know, we can create a new model, open the recently saved models, we can save the models, import, export and everything. And in edit we can undo, redo, paste, cut and everything, copy and everything. And this is view, in which we can view the model in 3D view, plan, elevation view, etc. This is define, in which the material properties and other properties can be defined. This is draw option, in which we can draw the objects or we can select the objects. So here you can see draw, join beams, etc. And this is select option, in which we have to select. This is assign, and here we can select the joints, frames, shells, etc. and we can give them some values and also thickness. And here it is analyze. It is analyze. After doing a project, we have to mostly run analysis for the perfect view of the diagram. So this is analyze, which is mostly used for run analysis. And this is display, which displays the deformed shapes and other shapes, other diagrams. And this is design, which is mostly used at the end. And here you can see steel frame design, concrete frame design, composite beam design and etc. so on. So after doing the complete project, as you can see, we have to go to design, and then we have to click the design which we have took. First we need to view or revise preferences and etc. We have to also do, at last we have to do verify all click on verify all members passed. After clicking on it, there will be a dialog box asking for saying this project is complete or there are any mistakes. We should click on OK, and it shows us some mistakes, and we can change the model, we can change the mistakes and do this perfectly. And at last, after, if there are any mistakes after doing it, again we need to check verify all members passed, and like this we have to do some more projects. And I'll show you another project which I have did. So this is the another project which I have did. I'm clicking on open. So this project can be opened only for 12 more days for me. This project is getting opened. This is another project which I have did. So like this you can do as many projects as you can and as they say us to do. Thank you so much for watching.